So I wanted to do a quick update on where my painting stands for the Shadows of Brimstone project. I have started to actually record some playthroughs, started a campaign, and now I'm in the middle of painting, and I thought I would update with what I've done since I finished up in the holidays. So I did, as you can see, the 3 sand crabs, and I like these. They're pretty cool models. Fairly monochromatic except for that little bit of purple in there and their big yellow and white eye. But I do like those a lot. And then, oh, I cannot remember what these are called now. But they go to the derelict ship, and I really thought they were cool. They come up through the grates. Got 6 of these guys. Xenocyte Impalers, that's what they're called. Oh, very excited to remember it, but yes, the Xenocyte Impalers. Very interesting. Then I have the Seeker drones from Targa, and I do, again, got 6 of these. I went with a little bit more of a beat up, rusted out profile than I normally do. Things on Targa always seem so clean, and after eons of chasing things off the plateau, I would think these guys would be a little bit more beat up. So we've got those guys done. I did finish the queen of the Succubi. Hopefully that's focusing in. One of the nicer models from the singles that they do. I did finish the Wasteland Warlord, the 3 Warlords. You've got the 2 different sculpts. You've got the Warlord and then the heavy weapons guys. Went ahead and used that same kind of beetle carapace paint that I used on the Scavengers. And again, they're out in the wasteland, so I thought they should be a little more beat up with their armor. But again, they were actually a little tedious to paint. Then I have the Ravagers, so I can add them to the swamps. They could be in the derelict ship. So these guys can go anywhere. I actually was not that excited with them. They did not strike my imagination, so I had a hard time trying to be creative with these guys. So I mean, they have a little bit of teeth, a little bit of blue tint to the weapons up by the muzzle, but other than that, I really just kind of went with the basic red like it was on the box. And oh, I think I just pulled that one off. I'm gonna have to re-epoxy that one. They were a little bit harder to glue down to these clear bases. And then last but not least were the Serpentmen, who they're cool models. I'm going to add them to the swamps. Got many of them, and then I did get the single shaman. This is actually the first model that I've really been disappointed in. It's got a lot of roughness to it. It really reminded me of the old Finecast GW sculpts. This is the shaman that comes with the set. And you know what? He's probably plenty good enough. And then, 2 different sculpts for the lizard men themselves. I mean, serpent men, lizard men, yeah. Started talking GW. So that's really everything that I've done here in the last couple weeks. One quick repair I have to do, but looking forward to seeing these guys in some games now that they're painted up. Alright, until next time, happy gaming.